To transform your business with data, you need to understand data and the tools that let you work with it, continually building your knowledge and know-how. The Qlik Continuous Classroom can help. A self-paced online learning platform, the Continuous Classroom helps analytics users of all levels ramp up and build their skills. Available anytime, anywhere, with all the resources you need right at your fingertips. The Continuous Classroom is highly personalized. Quickly start learning the basics of understanding data and working with your Qlik products. Dive in and choose a path based on your user role or product, or build your own personalized plan from scratch based on your needs. From visualization to app creation, simple storytelling to advanced product tips, the platform offers a wealth of content that's frequently updated and created with new Qlik product capabilities. Quick reference guides, hands-on exercises, quizzes, videos. Plus, our advanced search lets you find exactly what you're looking for. No more hunting around pages or scrolling through long lists of videos. The Continuous Classroom also offers webinars on key technical subjects or other relevant topics and the opportunity to talk one-on-one with expert instructors. Everyone should be able to lead with data. And now, with the Qlik Continuous Classroom, learning how is easier than ever. Visit learning.qlik.com/QCC to learn more.